morning, welcome to Vlogmas day 5, I think. If you haven't subscribed, please hit that subscribe button down below and like and comment and check out all the links in the description. And yeah, hello, it is actually the morning, well, it's 1 minute to 12. I actually got up and was awake at like 9:15. So yeah, I've pretty much spent the morning in bed trying to keep my foot like elevated, is it elevated? Is that the right word? Upright. To try and like stop my toe from swelling up anymore. But yeah, if you don't know what I'm talking about, please go and watch previous vlogs. But yeah, so that's pretty much all I've been doing, and watching YouTube in bed. Lots of Christmassy videos, which I'm very, very happy about. And now I've come downstairs, put some lunch on, ready to go. And I am also watching Soph's festive makeup video. So yeah, the Christmas lights on the tree aren't on, unfortunately. Trying to save money on electricity. Woo. I'm still very tired, as you can probably imagine, but yeah, very tired, very not really with it. But yeah, I'm awake, I'm here. I'm just about to edit a few things on Etsy for the free creative stuff. For some reason my camera isn't focusing, bear with me. There we go, I don't know why I did that. But yeah, I'm just going to edit a few things. Obviously I'm not there at the moment because this afternoon I am working in the marketplace again, the same as I did yesterday. And yeah, it just means that I can't be at the Creative HQ. So I've been answering emails and messaging people regards to some of the musical plaques that people have ordered. We do actually have a 99p delivery discount deal going off on our Etsy page, so if you would like to buy anything, please head over to our Etsy page and you will get 99p delivery no matter what you order. So that's fun. Yeah, I think that's really all I've got to say. I've put my lunch on and then I'm going to be going to work, so that's it. So I am just about to leave. It was so weird. I'm actually leaving a lot later than I should be, but I literally just started to get ready and I literally just threw up. Like, I literally just had to run to the toilet because I literally just threw up everywhere and I really don't know why. I don't know whether it was just because I feel full and I feel like nothing's digested properly, so I have a feeling that that's what it was, is I just didn't leave it long enough before I started to get ready and I was like rushing about and whatever, so I think it just jiggled up my body, but it was just a bit like, it was so strange and it was really like bothered me. So yeah, but I feel really out of it and I'm just feeling a bit weird, so it's not fun. But here we are, I'm gonna leave now, so bye. Back with the snowflakes, back at the girl door, and then the lovely lights. So cute. And then I think my mum is down here somewhere. Here she is. There she is. Hey Mom. Hey. Hey Mom. I'm not going to distract her. Hello, I am home. I have a little scrunchie in, which is why it looks a bit weird with my hair like that, because all my hair is falling out. But yeah, I'm home. I got another sneak preview of Elf Encounter and it looks so good. And I watched Emily, who is the elf, and she is so good, and this sounds really weird and bad, but she suits being the elf and she's like just so good at it, so it was quite nice to watch. But yeah, I'm very impressed, I have to say. I saw also somebody from Gatepost today, which was quite nice because obviously we've not been doing shows, so we haven't seen I haven't seen anybody, nobody's seen each other, so it's quite nice. So yeah, that was fun. And yeah, it's actually been quite a nice day today. It's been sunny and not like warm, but like warmer, so it's quite nice, so which I'm very happy about. But yeah, it's been nice. I was on the front for the most of the day, so yeah, if you want to come to Derby Christmas Market, then I'll probably be hanging around somewhere. So yeah, come say hi if you do. So Dom's just rang me, and I literally just got downstairs and put my pyjamas on and just got comfy. And Dom rang me being like, oh, can I come and pick you up and we'll go to Asda so we can get roast stuff for tomorrow? So what I've done is actually kept my pyjamas on, my Christmas pyjamas on, and just put them underneath some comfy clothes. I've got no underwear on, no socks on, I've got my new boots on, and I've sprayed them with like some anti-rain proof thing in the hope that they'll not get stained and whatever. And oh yeah, so yeah, I'm gonna go out like this. As the shop done. Woo!
Put it somewhere, you're gonna have to do things.
That's alright. We need a new wok because ours is broken. Obviously this is a frying pan, but this is the alternative that we're using right now because our wok is broken. So yeah, if anyone wants to buy us a wok for Christmas, then please do, because it'd be very, 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 very useful.
Cooking tip. When you're cooking something like lasagna.
Here's a tip from the WikiHow article. How to make homemade food. Find recipes online and through cooking apps. When you're just starting out.
Shh, you're stealing my thunder. Start again, shall we? When cooking something like lasagna or spaghetti bolognese and you want to taste what the sauce tastes like, you want to try the sauce to make sure it tastes alright, is probably a better word. When they're doing like we're doing, where we put the lasagna in a loaf of bread, use the inside of the bread to taste what the sauce tastes like. Echo. Play.
Look at this.
For one night only.
Look.
Use space about.
And you like
Where
what
they
we're going
belong.
to Let's be because week and Strictly. How exciting. Dun, 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 dun. It's that my calendar time. Will Dominic. Right.
Is it snowing yet?
27. Oh, right.
Yeah, it feels great.
It's
Well,
a question.
if you want to keep Grandvir and Giovanni in the competition
Yourself.
for the week, all the details are on the screen now, and you can vote for them at the end of the show. Still to come, The Phantom of the Opera does an Argentine tango. Test.
One of my favourite musicals
He's gone
and
elf.
favourite styles of dance. Can't wait for that. Next though, it's Maisie and Gorka. And last week Maisie was thrilled.
Well, I'm just finishing off this special smoothie. Mrs. Claus thinks that I need to lose a bit of weight. Well, she's probably right. I need to keep trim and in shape so I can squeeze up and down all those chimneys on Christmas Eve.
So I just opened my MacBook and turned it on and nothing responded. I've just tried to open Final Cut and the internet and it just completely would not do anything. I need a new MacBook so bad. I tried to turn it off, it wouldn't turn off, and then it wouldn't turn back on again, so I just had to hard reset it. So yeah, I am in desperate need, but here we are. So Dom has now gone up to bed and I just realised I haven't edited this vlog, so I am going to sit and watch the rest of Through the Keyhole and edit this vlog, so I'm going to end it here. I hope you have enjoyed it, and don't forget to like, don't forget to comment, don't forget to subscribe, check out all the links in the description, and I shall see you tomorrow for another Vlogmas. Bye!
Stylish master bedroom wear and catching up on a